She was the face of hope during the pandemic.
Carrie Prescott led the charge in giving out thousands of vaccines in Webster County, but now the former public health director is accused of mishandling more than $58,000 from the people she was supposed to be helping.
Our phones rang off the hook on Sunday and Monday, and so we thought to get the first wave through would be best.
This was Carrie Prescott in August of 2021. As the Webster County Public Health Director, she ran several of these drive-up clinics giving COVID-19 vaccines to the most vulnerable and immunocompromised.
It's really rewarding that we can provide doses of hope into our community.
Prescott became a public figure during the pandemic, even gaining the attention of Governor Kim Reynolds for how smoothly she ran vaccine clinics in Webster County.
Our goal is aligned with the governor's goal to vaccinate as many people safely and efficiently as possible.
But a new audit released Thursday by State Auditor Rob Sands says Prescott mishandled thousands of dollars of taxpayer money from July of 2016 to May of 2022.
Very relieved and excited that this is finally going to be made public.
Dr. Kelly Wallace is the whistleblower in this case. Prescott was fired in May of 2022 for a hostile work environment. We now know Wallace sounded the alarm that same time after noticing numbers weren't adding up.
Had some concerns about how some of the federal funds were being used.
The audit investigation lists more than $32,000 charged to a family planning grant when it should not have been. That includes $24,000 in payroll for an employee and $1,600 in unsupported mileage reimbursements for Prescott. The audit also questions if Prescott double-billed COVID-19 vaccines to a state grant and also to insurance companies. Webster County gave out almost 27,000 vaccines and billed more than $998,000 in administrative costs. The county was unable to provide a list of claims it billed to insurance, so the audit could not say for certain if Prescott double-billed for COVID vaccines. The audit also lists more than $24,000 of undeposited collections. The report says Prescott kept a cash bank bag in her desk drawer and instructed a former bookkeeper that when cash was received for immunizations, not to record it and deposit it with the county treasurer, but instead place the cash in the cash bank bag. But the audit says insufficient records make it impossible to know if the money was not collected, not deposited, or both.
I think there is sufficient evidence, or at least concern, that she should be charged, that she was mishandling cash in the office.
And right now, Prescott is not facing any criminal charges, but the Webster County Attorney says he has turned over this audit report to the Attorney General's office and the Iowa DCI. KCCI left a voicemail message for Prescott, but has not heard back.